Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today I'm making some meatballs. So what you need is some organic, grass-fed, grass-finished ground beef. You need 2 eggs, beaten up lightly. You need some breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese. I have garlic and onion, salt, pepper, 3 shakes of parsley, a pinch of oregano, and now we are going to put all of the ingredients in. So I already have the egg beaten up here, see? And now I'm just going to put it in there, and now we'll put the garlic in, and we'll put some Parmesan cheese. Good. And we'll put the salt, the pepper, the parsley, and the oregano. And I have a secret. I wet the breadcrumbs so it has a more moist meatball. Now we're going to mix it all up. Now, this is really cool. So, if you can see over here, you can see all this. And you need to get all the breadcrumbs mixed. And I think that's about good. Let me get the paper towel. And I have another secret, come here. I wet my hands before you roll the balls so it doesn't stick. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my baller and I'm gonna ball these meatballs. This is the same baller I used to do the chocolate chip cookies. And this is going fairly fast because these are they're wet, so they come out easier. And yeah. Now we keep balling them until all the meat is done. I might need to put this one. Ooh, this is looking very good. So, we have, that's good. So I preheated the oven for 350 and I'm going to put these in the oven for 20 minutes. So I'll see ya. And now, open the oven. I'm gonna put them in there. I cooked them for 20 minutes. You have to watch them though, so they don't get overcooked or undercooked. So this is what I cooked them in after they are out of that. And it's my favorite, it's Rayo's, it's best in class. And like, subscribe, hit the notification bell down below so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you next time.